guys, so I'm starting a YouTube channel just so you all can like follow me around and just see what I do in my everyday life. So this is my horse. Her name is Little D. It's actually like Lildee, so it's Lil, yeah, Little D. She is a 15-year-old quarter horse. She's a dun mare, and yeah, she was really like rode a lot when she was like 3, like in training and stuff, and then she just went out on a pasture for like 10 years, and then I got her, and I'm pretty much like doing everything, like training her. She pretty much knew everything, but I'm like, she's cattle bred, so I'm getting her into cattle and working cattle. So yeah, you all pretty much just like follow me around at the farm and at shows and stuff like that. She's gonna come and swing and hit me. So yeah, today I'm just going to like brush her, clean her. I gave her a bath yesterday, so she's pretty clean, but might give you a tour of my little trailer. I just got it and just put everything in it. So yeah, I might go ride a little bit. She doesn't like that. But yeah, you're just gonna follow me around today. It's kind of like my first vlog, I guess. So okay, so I'm gonna start with my trailer tour just because I really like my trailer, and I guess it's kind of like, I don't know. So it's a 2-horse straight bumper pull, and as you can see, like this has some like rust and needs pressure washed and all that stuff, but I have the inside done. I just need the outside, so maybe I'll give a video of me doing that. But yeah, so I'll show you a little tack area. There's a door on both sides, but so on the door I have my boots, and then this I don't really know, it's just like miscellaneous stuff. There's like rags I can wipe her face and stuff. But get in here, there's a bunch of shelves. These are my like show halters, and there's a blanket and a roping gap, and there's like a 3-drawer pull-out thingy for just miscellaneous stuff. And then here's like my saddle compartment, and my saddle just like comes out so I can like get it easily. And then here's some of my bridles, and then there's extra halters, and there's my breast collar and my running martingale. So I got some like reins in there, and then there's my helmets and another like little box thingy. This is my watering bucket. So that's this side. I'll show you from the other side, other angle here. Ooh. So as you can tell, I painted my trailer baby blue. So here's like just like a little feeding thing, so it makes it easier. And then there's an escape door on both sides. So yeah, I'll show you the inside. Don't get on my brushes. Scoot over. Oh. So it has both doors open, and they hook, so I can like keep that open. She broke in the new trailer. She's only been in here once for a show, but it's kind of small, and I have a really big long horse, so she hates it, but that's okay. There's hay from this weekend. I literally just got back and left. So yeah, there's the other door, and then there's the other escape door. So yeah, it has a fiberglass ceiling or roof or whatever. So it's like easier to pull, more lightweight. There's my baby. It has like stairs to go up to that, like it holds hay. Here's the other escape door for like this side, and then the feeding door if it'll open. Yeah, she kind of got it dirty. Gonna have to clean that. So on this side, it's just random stuff. Like here's a water for my dog. And then notice, if my horse doesn't like you, I probably won't either. I'm gonna put that on my trailer because my horse doesn't like a lot of horses. That's like for riding by myself, so I can have my phone. And then here's the 3-drawer pull-out thing. This is all treats. This is like leather cleaner and wrap and like clippers and stuff like that. And then this is, I think, oh, there's my hammock, extra spurs, a slinky, and then I think there's like a really thin blanket in there. Here's electrolytes. I give those like a couple days before shows, just if like she's gonna be out all day. Here's my saddle pad. This I got like winning something, so I just give it to her as treats because it's $43.25 per bag and it only lasts like a month, and I'm like, no. Here's my rope. There's a saddle bag in case I need it. So yeah, that's kind of it on my trailer. Normally I have my my brushes and stuff in there, but I have it out because I'm gonna brush her. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna give her a good brush. I just tripped over my spurs. A good brush. It may be like braid her mane. Probably not her tail, but yeah. So I'm probably gonna like put this fast. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna get set it up so I can do some riding. So I'm probably gonna either into here and come back with her saddled, or I'm gonna like put it really fast so you don't have to drag out and you watch me saddle. So yeah. I got her all tacked up and I'm ready to ride. See you when I get on. She gets scared. Now she's gonna go off and prance. That's okay though. Say hi. I'm just gonna go and like walk her around. That was supposed to be my wait. That was supposed to be my project trailer, but too much work. I might fix it and sell it, who knows. But I'm just gonna go and walk her around, quit, and wear her out a little bit, and then do a lot of trotting, long trotting, and cantering. Because, like I don't think I said it earlier. I think I was going to, and then my dad interrupted me. So, on Wednesday and Thursday, I am going to the fair, our local fairgrounds, and I'm going to be presenting, like doing a presentation with her about horses. All the 3rd graders from like our county are gonna come, and I'm gonna do a little presentation with them, and they have like so many, like 10, 11 stations or something, and equine is one of them, so I'm gonna bring her, and yeah, I just want to get her rode a lot before then so she'll be calm. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go and like in that open field area over there, I'm gonna go and like walk her a bunch and trot her a bunch, and then I'm gonna go back over there where my trailer was and canter her because she's really comfortable in that area, so that's where I'm gonna go canter. So yeah, and my dad is nearby and he's afraid that she's gonna buck me off, so yeah, that's where I'll be cantering. Hopefully I don't get bucked off, but who knows with her. But yeah, see you in a minute. Literally been gone for like 3 minutes, and I heard the truck, and my dad was originally like putting all that hay into the truck, so I was like, wow, he really does not trust me riding. Like, it's literally been 4 minutes, but it was my grandpa. So as you're all gonna tell by all my videos, my parents and grandparents are very like protective. Not really, I mean, they're not like overly protective, but they care about me. They don't want me to get hurt, so I have to wear a helmet, and yeah, I pretty much have to. I can only ride if someone's here, which sucks because I mean my grandpa and my dad do timber, and so they're always in the woods, like away, like at different clients and stuff, or around here, but like in the woods where they can't like come check on me all the time. So I can't ride unless they're down here, which sucks, but I mean, it's the smartest thing to do. But yeah, so I just wanted to tell you that because it was a funny story. Yeah. So I just cantered her a little more, and we're just gonna go on a little trail ride. Oh my goodness. But she's so worked up, she just wants to go. She's normally not like this. I don't know why she's acting. So I'm gonna end this video here. We had a pretty nice ride. She was still just antsy, shook up, but we got through it. I went ahead and braided her mane and her tail just because I had a little extra time. So her tail doesn't look the best. It's so stiff, and I don't know. I need to work on it. But yeah, so alright, well I think I'm gonna end this video here, but I think my next video is gonna be like prepping her for a show. So I'm gonna like trim her bridle path and trim some of her whiskers and stuff like that. So just kind of like a get ready with me. But if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and if you want to see more, then hit that subscribe button so you get notifications. Bye.